Good morning. Hello, hello. Happy Monday. Here we are again. We're going to try to make the best of it, right? Do our very best. I have a surprise for you, okay? So, I'm going to show you two different things really quickly today. I got to get out the door to work, but I wanted to hop on here, and I want to show you two things. How many of you contour? And if you do contour, I'm going to show you a really quick way to do it. If you've never done it and you want to know how to do it, I can show you really quick. So what you're going to do is I take this. This is actually a highlighter stick. I use the darkest color. It's called opaline. And what I do is you're going to like suck in your cheeks and like that. So you're going to go from the apples of your cheek all the way back to like the top of your ear. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And I know that looks really crazy, but don't freak out yet. You're going to do the same thing along your jawline. If you want to, you can do the sides of your nose. And if you have a forehead that you can fit 4 to 3 fingers on, if you can fit 3 fingers like me, you can do this. If you can only fit 2, you can do that twice, okay? The whole purpose of contouring is to add some depth and shadow and a little bit of like chisel to your face, so your face doesn't look completely round or flat. So once you get that on like that, you're going to take a brush that kind of has some dense bristles to it, and you're just going to keep patting that in really fast. And you will see this start to fade, and it's going to blend in. You don't want to do this. You're not doing like that. You're just kind of pushing that in and creating shadows there. And what happens, wherever you create shadows on your face, it causes it to sink in. So like when you're doing this on your cheekbones, or really under your cheekbones here, you're creating the illusion of your face sinking in there, which then makes your cheekbones appear higher and more defined. So you're causing, hi Mom, hey Krista, you're causing these cheekbones to stick out a little bit further. And you're going to do the same thing on the side of your nose, just kind of stipple that in. Now we have these highlighting sticks in several different colors, but no matter what, if you want to use the highlighting stick to contour, you are going to get the opaline. Even though it's the darkest shade, I don't care if you're the fairest of fair like Snow White or you're really dark skinned, either one, you're still going to use the same shade. Because any of the other shades are going to be too light, and they're going to be a highlight, and they're going to give you the opposite effect. So this is just a really quick, easy way. Sometimes if you get like a contouring palette, it's just a little bit overwhelming, and people don't know what to do with that. So this is just a really quick way to get a little contour on your face. Can you guys see it all, how now this looks so much more chiseled out? It's just a quick way to get some of that on your face really quickly, and you don't have to be a makeup pro. And after that, I would always use some bronzer. This is our beachfront bronzer. This is the color Malibu. It comes in one shade lighter. It also comes in one shade darker. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my cheeks to warm it up a little bit. Again, a little bit more under my chin, over my forehead, the same areas that I contoured, basically. I'm just going to warm that up a little bit. And then I will finish with my blush. So you can see this was a really, really quick process. This doesn't take a long time to do. And it's not even something that's really noticeable. Like, if you're walking down the street, people aren't going to be like, oh, she contours. Nobody's going to notice it. Your face structure is just going to look a little bit different. So here's the deal. If you are interested in contouring with a stick like this, and you can see how quickly I did this, I'm going to be placing a bulk order this week. So if you're interested in one of these contour sticks, just put hashtag contour down below, and I'm going to take care of all of it for you. You don't even have to get on my website. Just put hashtag contour. I'll get it ordered for you. I will ship it to you. I'm not even going to charge you shipping if you comment back to this post. It has to be on this post. I will ship this to you for free. So just put hashtag contour down below, and I will get this out to you. I'm going to give you the same opportunity with our Epic mascara. I was on here a day or two ago demonstrating our mascara. I did this with the 3D mascara. I'm not going to do the 3D mascara today. I'm going to work, and the 3D mascara is a little bit over the top for a normal day for me personally. I don't feel like I need to get quite that mascara up to go to work. But this mascara is awesome. You will get massive length and volume with this, as you can see. It doesn't smear or flake. It comes in 3 different colors and styles. We have the black, which is what I'm using right now. We have brown. So if you're a lady who prefers brown mascara, we have that for you in the Epic. Or we also have this in black waterproof. The one that I'm using right now is water resistant, and I think it does a fabulous job. I'm a crier. And I never have this running down my face like some mascaras I've used before. I'm able to cry and with very minimal effort clean up my face to where it doesn't look like I've, you know, just totally ransacked my face with tears. So that's just one coat, you guys. That's one coat of the Epic. You can keep going with this. It's buildable, so you can go layer after layer after layer if you'd like. And just keep building up those lashes. So if you're interested in this mascara, which I, for the life of me, cannot figure out why any woman would not want to try this mascara. I talk about it and talk about it and talk about it and talk about it because it is the best product. It is my favorite in my line. I love all of our stuff, but it's the mascara that got me started, and it's the mascara that keeps me coming back. It's the mascara that wanted me to be, hook me into presenting, just because I wanted to share this mascara with everybody. So, if you want to try this mascara, same deal. Hashtag Epic down below, and I will get with you. We'll work out the money details, but just put Epic below. I will take care of ordering it for you, and I will ship it to you for free. There will be no additional shipping if you comment to this video. So you're going to go down below, and you are going to put hashtag contour, or hashtag mascara, or hashtag both. You can more than welcome to order both, and I will get those to you and ship those to you for free. So that you can try them. They are both just really, really simple ways to up your makeup game very quickly and very simply. I'm going to finish up with a little bit of Splash liquid lipstick. This is one of our neutral colors. And there we have it. I am out the door. My baby girl is ready to go. We have a big day, and we will talk to you soon. Have a good day.